office. Whew. We're here, Henry.
We've got all of our recycling. It's Paige's birthday.
Can I pick up a birthday
Happy
cake
birthday.
on the bike? All
of that
on the bike.
Have it on the bike.
Hi, we're Paige, Casey, and Henry Wilder, an adventurous trio from the Ozarks of Northwest Arkansas. Join us as we explore in our motorhome and in our own backyard as we seek out authentic travel experiences and ways of living for our small family of 3.
So here's what happened on our first night.
The spot we had originally booked didn't have any grass. It was just like gravel and dirt. The people next to us had really
encroached.
Encroached into our spot. Henry got filthy playing in the dirt in like 5 minutes.
That's like one of the downsides of this particular park is you have to reserve online. There aren't pictures. There's no street view. You can't at all preview what your spots are going to look like. So we got here and we're like, oh,
yeah,
this is less than ideal.
Yeah.
So we turned around and there was a spot right behind it that had a palm tree and grass, and Henry wouldn't get filthy
in
playing
all
in the
this
dirt.
Space. I mean, you can see there's not an RV right behind us.
Open space and not a big trash pile next to us. So we said F it, and we moved. This spot was available for the rest of our dates, and we said let's go ahead and move over there tonight, and sent him an email and called him this morning. So hopefully we'll get that sorted out. So now we're settled. We're in Padre.
Look at this fancy breakfast.
So fancy.
It's laundry day because finally we're gonna be somewhere long enough to let it dry. So I've hung a clothesline, which is 2 hammock straps, to the picnic table. That's my little drying octopus. You want to go around one more time and look at them all?
Yeah, but we have to go that way to
Okay.
get to the building.
All right, let's go to the building. Lost 3 of its flippers, so they put that pretend one on to help it swim. Nice hanging out with you for a minute.
What's up, you guys?
We're at CVS.
CVS, pharmacy run. I had a work day. Paige and Henry went to the turtle farm. We both took our bikes.
Not a turtle farm, it's a
Sorry,
turtle rescue.
turtle sanctuary, turtle rescue, turtle doctor.
Like they rescue them.
We're gonna go pick up some essentials and some non-essentials.
Clothespins and GoPro mounts.
Yep. We'll let you guess which one's essential. Look, Henry, this is what the first week of our trip was like. Oh no.
our final 2 butterflies today.
They're gone.
One had crumpled wings.
Not looking good for him. But, you know, nature is cruel. He's probably fine.
He drank nectar from a flower.
Henry watched him for a while.
They're little nectar drinker things, like curl and uncurl. I think that's a blueberry.
Proboscis?
I don't remember.
It's taco night in the RV. The RV park's starting to fill up. People coming in for the weekend. Kind of looks like our twin out there.
It's my birthday! What are you guys working on?
Pancakes from scratch and memory. Hand me a hat, Mom. Everyone's seeing my crazy hair.
I filtered out your hair. I mean, I cropped out your
You
hair.
don't have to crop out my hair. I'm getting a haircut later today, everyone.
Here's
been
the
9
before.
months. Before. Okay.
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 The sugar part's optional.
Well, you do a little sugar.
Shit, I think that was 4.
Casey
Counting so carefully.
has the recipe for pancakes memorized. Which is
We're
really
gonna
cool.
exercise our option on that. Okay, Henry. If I missed a scoop of flour because I got distracted,
You'll find out.
We'll know. The consistency will be all wrong. Henry, 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Which one of these is a tablespoon, do you think? Multitasking. Very good. Check out this totally uneven stack of pancakes. Every different color and size you could imagine. What are we going to? A bird sanctuary? Is it actually a sanctuary this time?
It's called a bird.
We're going to the bird center.
It's like nationally renowned.
A nationally renowned bird center. But there's a recycling place on the way. Paige wants to take all of our
They're only open
recycling.
on Saturdays.
Today's the only day we can do it. It's Saturday.
And look at all this. Birthday pancake! Isn't it pretty? Thank you.
You're welcome. We've got all of our recycling from our first week on the road loaded up on my bike and cargo netted down. We're gonna stop by the recycling center. It's Paige's birthday.
We're gonna pick up a birthday
Happy
cake
birthday.
on the bikes.
We're gonna pick up a birthday cake, and then I've got to go get a haircut later today because it's been pretty gnarly under the helmet.
So all
of that
on the bike.
Have it on the bike. What's up? Did anybody bring anything in on a bike yet today?
We had only one person.
Okay, cool. Not just us. Someone here is our people. This is all cardboard. Cans are there.
Both together.
And then the plastic, number 1. What about glass?
Guys, we don't take glass.
No glass.
That's the only thing we don't take.
It goes home with you. Thanks, man.
Thank you.
You'll have a good one.
Likewise.
Something people don't talk about with biking, but the parking is awesome. Always get a spot at the front. We made it.
We're at the breeding center.
Not bad. Bikes are locked up. Let's roll. you. Have you ever seen a snake so big?
No. Big crocodile.
That is a big crocodile. He's on loan. They borrowed this bobcat. Thank you, Colorado Audubon Society. Don't mind them. They're just treating the poop. Yeah. We're at the top of the birding center. See the seaside and the bayside. We've just finished up at the birding center. It was cool.
We saw lots of different kinds of birds.
Now it's on to our next bike adventure. We're gonna head back south. This is pretty much the northern part of the populated part of the island. There's more road, but it's resorts and natural seashore and stuff like that. So we're gonna double back towards the grocery store and figure out how the hell to haul a cake. Birthday cake. Birthday cake on a bike. We can do it. Sit down a little bit.
Can I do that without...
Give it a good...
Pick my cake? Is that okay?
Yeah. Alright, kiddo.
Put your mask on.
What do you think? What do you think Mom would want? German chocolate, cookies and cream. Well, we've got strawberry, carrot cake, white coconut cake, velvet, red velvet cake. I think you're right. I think she'd like the German chocolate the most. Is that what you want to get her? Yeah. But I think this will just fit in a bag.
What'd you get?
Well,
you got cupcakes and cake. You guys, there's only 3 of us, and one of them's 4 years old.
Your birthday, Mom.
Okay.
German chocolate is what Henry thought you would like.
That does look really good.
It was either that or like fake strawberries.
And cupcake. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you.
All right. Birthday cake! It survived! Happy birthday to Mom. Happy birthday to Mom.
Yay! Thanks, everybody.
Cupcake!
Let's sing it. It's Mama's birthday.
That's right.
Casey is getting his haircut.
Before.
Okay. I think Henry and I are going to walk over to the beach. Just let him know he can meet us there. So I don't know how long his haircut's going to take. I'm kind of tired of being in the RV. It's hot, the AC will not turn off, so I'm gonna try to just like bump it up a little bit since we're gonna be gone. Go to the beach, enjoy the cool water. That's the plan.
All right, y'all, true story. Just got my hair cut by the lady who did hair for the movie Office Space. So I got the Milton, that's what I asked for. She said, you want the Peter Gibbons or the Milton? I said, I'll take the Milton.
Well, we beached, and Casey's back.
I'm back.
And he looks like this now. So cute.
Thanks.
Oh, Henry, maybe not on the rug.
Oh, our kid.
Yeah.
Henry had a big knee scraping incident.
He's
There
got
was
the
lots
big
of blood and
Band-Aid.
I
screaming.
trod on Chuck.
Did you fall down? He dropped a seashell and he fell down.
Yeah, it sounded kind of like that.
Shouldn't take too long tonight.
No.
You rode more than I did.
I rode back and I rode hard on 5. Here we go.
You got a shark.
No shark. That's it. Bike charging station.
So legit. Henry passed out. Party pooper. He's a party pooper. He skinned his knee really bad. That was pretty much it for him. Yeah.
We're cooking outside tonight. Home fry's going. Got burgers waiting inside. Paige is reading Kindle. Paige is reading a book on her Kindle. She's not just reading the cover plate of her Kindle. It just says Kindle. Outside cooking. Keeps the RV cool. It's actually really nice and cool today. Breezy. Bumping on a Saturday. Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna have some burgers now. Cake's over there. These are virgin pina coladas, but the blender's still out if you want to mix rum and tears. Buns. If you call out to them, they come to you. Have we mentioned that it's my birthday?
Paige is doing exceptionally well.
What do you mean?
Just usually you're a little more demanding that everyone acknowledge your birthday.
I just demanded it. Yeah, I've just been real chill, reading my book, not being like, hey, it's my birthday. Good burgers, thank you. So Henry really picked this out?
Yeah.
Did you tell him what it was called?
I did.
This looks good. He seemed stoked on it. He was like, this is what German people eat. Happy birthday to me.
To Mom.
Thank you.
We did it.
Looks so beachy though.
So beachy.
Grocery.